Hello, what is your name?
My name is Juanita Garcia.
How old are you?
I'm 40 years old.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
I have 3 children.
How old are they?
19 years old, 18 years old, and then 4 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years?
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, in Taiwan. 2
How
years
many
also.
years? Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Chongpon Plaza.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
880
Square feet. Okay, how many family member there?
There are 5,
How many children?
2 children.
How old are they?
10 years old and 9 years old.
Okay. So, would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
5 o'clock in the morning.
And then?
And then I start to prepare the clothes, the uniform, the snacks of the children, all things.
Okay, how about marketing? Do you go?
Sometimes the mom.
Okay. So, how about dinner? What time you cook?
I cook 6:50.
6:50.
Yeah.
Okay, and then, what time they eat?
I cook to 5 o'clock for the children
Okay, and then?
for sometimes 5:45 in the night because the time of my employers go home is not the same.
Okay. So, what time you go to bed?
9 o'clock, it depends of my employer's time.
Okay.
Sometimes they are late going, so I'm late also.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.